So we're out on Monona Bay again today. This is like the 5th day in a row I fished. I probably should be analyzing data, but my one coworker was asking me a bunch of details about ice fishing because her sister wanted to go ice fishing. So I'm agreed to take her out ice fishing a little bit, and I just came out before I'm meeting them to set up my stuff. And I've caught 5 bluegills so far. So they're all small. Here's one. That one actually feels decent. Yeah, that one is decent. This is the biggest one so far today. Another bluegill. Here's another dinker. They're off to a small start today. Oh, we got a tip up. I bet you it was the wind though. Figured. Did anything actually even hit it? Another gill. Now all of a sudden they're biting. This little tiny chartreuse jig. Fuck. Fucking A. Where was it? They're dead. Oh, good thing I didn't lose my rod.
Yeah, that's how I saw the ice fishing. Oh, no. Yeah. I'm from countryside from Boston, yeah, but I think in Boston I never see this ice fishing. Yeah, it's not called enough.
Ice fishing? It's popular in the Midwest, in Canada.
This one, thank you. You get fish? Small one.
I've gotten like 10 or 15 of them so far.
So, did you have, hey, give me, I will take a picture.
Oh, here.
Thank you. So you will keep this small one?
I don't know. This is a little on the small side to keep. That's a little bigger you try to keep. Usually we just fillet them and then... You got one too?
Only this small one. Just for fun. That one.
7 inches. 8 inches. Or one of you can come in the shack and work one of the rods too. I have a couple rods in here too.
I just looked a little. So you have like a YouTube channel or something?
Yeah.
Where? Oh, it's this video. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
I'll keep that one. Like size, the ones about this size we start keeping.
Hey. Very much.
Yeah, the ones about this size I start keeping.
Yeah. So you keep, okay.
And then I just fry them and batter.
Nice.
What's the equipment?
This is a locator that can mark the fish. Like there's a fish right where my finger is.
Ah.
And it's what all this fancy. And it's really expensive though. It's like $300, but a lot of us ice.
$300 only for fun. Oh.
Yeah.
been having much luck with pike out here?
No, I haven't. Probably need bait though.
No bait.
So Hans, can you tell when, like, how do you tell when your, like the automatic ones go off?
The tip ups,
Yeah,
Oh,
the flag goes up. So we're gonna help you girls catch a fish.
So, use this one can make a fish come in here.
What?
Use this machine can.
So let's see, where's that jig at? Oh, it's that jig is way too high. Actually use this one. That's working good. And you use the fish down there. So just drop it, let it drop down to bottom. There's a fish.
Oh wow.
Coming after it.
So what do the
And there, reel it up.
Oh.
There, you caught one.
Wow,
that is awesome.
wow, why you so quickly? Use this machine will go quickly.
Because I could see it hit.
Oh.
That jig was up too high.
I don't know how to take the hook out.
I'll
without,
show
like,
you.
Yeah, I don't
What
know.
you do is you just gently pop it back like that.
Oh, okay, nice. Thank you.
And then the little...
Cool. You
I-
want to go, Alex?
Oh, you only use a little bit of worm.
Yeah, I'm using like little maggots. Coming.
Whoa.
That's a really small one.
You go
Can I
what?
still pull it?
Yeah, reel it up or pull up the line like that.
Why is it not?
Because that reel's old.
Be careful,
Yeah,
don't go
Alex.
to.
It's not that.
Oh, you know when it's big. This one is big. Yeah, don't return. Keep. Wow, this one keep.
That one I can keep, I guess.
I will take picture.
Okay.
Good.
Face me again because it did take me.
Yeah, this one is big. Just keep.
Jigging for perch, and I caught like a muskie on the other side of this lake on it. And it like broke the reel.
Did you get to land them or no?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, small one, but
I
it's
fish
small.
for everything. I do a lot of muskie fishing until my back got bad this year. Then I kind of quit because it's hard to
This
catch.
one will be wet. Special, it's not wet.
Hey,
It's a big one. Kind of.
You got that one, just swallowed it. It's a tiny
a
one.
little bit.
I did it.
Really, really big.
It's a walleye.
But you can't fish them in the James, I don't think, because...
Fuck.
Not my line, what the fuck?
That's probably not good for me to do with my bad back.
Did you get that on the GoPro?
Not for. It's not going to be a good shot, but yeah. Whatever. I don't care. I don't even know what happened. I think my balance is just bad or something. Here's the size of ones you want to catch.
That's a keeper right there.
Oh my gosh.
That's like what you put in your fish tank.
Yeah.
Hey, and usually when we ice fish, we have a whole bunch of beer, but not today. Another nice one. Yeah, because the Packers here suck, we need to find another reason to drink beer. And that hasn't been helping that much though. So I almost think I have impingement on a disc or something.
Oh. I had that
Go.
once when I was a kid. I like, oh yay!
Got one.
That's a lot. that. Another one. I almost threw my phone to the hole.
I'll have to pull out the underwater camera. I guess there's no way to pull it up. Oh, now the sun's right to take a picture, and about 20 minutes ago it just like destroys the image background of your picture.
Yeah, it was so backlit.
Yeah, it is.
Watching people with binoculars and then we left.
Was that the game warden or was that a creep?
Yeah, he was in his car.
Whoa.
That's a crappie.
Yeah.
Whoa.
That is awesome.
This is a black crappie. Crappie.
Cool.
These are popular fish to eat too. You probably have some of these in Virginia too.
Oh yeah, yeah. We have a lot of them in our little farm ponds and stuff.
Oh my god.
Oh, I thought there's some.
No, this is some stupid pole I bought off eBay to do a challenge with. It was $4. And it had like photoshopped pictures of fish on it. I don't even know why I bought it. I don't know why I bought a mini pen pole either. That was stupid too. This one had a fish on it.
It's only my glove.
Take them because that would be easier than describing how to do it.
Thank you so much.
And seeing as I have like enough, I have like 10 poles, so it makes sense. Seeing as I have all the gear just to take you guys out.
Yeah. I'll have to check out your channel.
Oh, no, I think I just need to put everything in the sled and then I can walk in.
This is a pretty cool experience.
Yeah.
I really would like to. Hopefully, I'll come back up soon. And maybe next year or the year after, and be able to do some more.
Yeah, like I'd tell you where to go fish for pike if I knew a spot that was safe. The ice really isn't that safe yet.
Yeah.
And I'd be really cautious in spots to go.
Definitely.
Like at least here, if you fall through, there's at least people around that could save you too. Whereas, like if you go exploring, you might fall through where there's no one around.
I definitely like to come up when it's good
What?
and cold, like in January.
Yeah. At least I got you on some fish, so that's what matters, and we had fun. Hey, well, it was nice to meet you.
Yeah.
I had a fun time fishing with you. I hope you all had fun.
Yeah, thank you so much. This was
Glad I got you some fish. So,
And your channel's called
Muskie Hans, you can check it out. Hey, well, it was nice to meet you.
Yeah.
I had a fun time fishing with you. I hope you all had fun.
Yeah, thank you so much. This was
Glad I got you some fish. So,
And your channel's called
Muskie Hans, you can check it out.